Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you guys what the Dipwell Easy Acrylic Dip System consists of before I begin. So basically it comes with a step-by-step instruction manual on how to use their system. It also comes with a cuticle stick, a nail file, and a nail buffer. It also comes with a bond, a base, activator, a sealer, and a brush softener. It also comes with 3 dipping powders in the color French white, sheer pink, and a finish and base, which is a clear powder. Now here I'm just showing you guys my tips. I purchased these from I want to say AliExpress. Yeah, I got these from AliExpress along with that nail clipper that you see me using. So here I'm just going in and cutting them down to the length that I want them. After I get them down to the length that I want them to be, I just go in with this nail filer and I file where the false nail and my natural nail meet, and basically that just creates a more seamless and natural looking nail whenever I do this. Once I complete that, I then go in with the cuticle stick and push my cuticles back. Once I do that to all of the nails, then I go in with my old makeup brush and dust off all of the powder that I accumulated from filing. And I then go in with the first step, which is using the bond and applying it on my natural nail. Okay, so once I apply the bond, I then go in with the base, which is the second step in this. And this base is basically just a liquid glue. And y'all, I don't know if I have just like a sensitive nose, but this base smells so strong. Like it's not so strong to the point where it's like going to stink up your house or anything like that, but working in close proximity with it, like it definitely irritated my nose. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I did end up putting on like one of those face masks that professional nail techs wear in a salon to help with the smell. And once I put that on, like it was so much better. So yeah, that smell of that base is so strong. So once I applied a thin coat of the base, I then went in with that French white color and dipped my finger right on in and tapped off the excess powder. So once I finish applying one coat to the nails, I then go in and repeat the steps that you just saw all over again and apply a second coat. This was the first coat and this is the second coat. After the second coat is complete, I then go in with the activator. And then I just do light filing. I really didn't even need an e-file for this part. You can totally use a hand file just to smooth out your nails and make them more even. Once you're done filing, you then go in with the sealer, and that just seals up everything. And after that, that's just regular smegular black nail polish, and I am dipping just an old makeup brush into alcohol, and this is basically what creates the whole marbling effect, or at least I attempted. I at least attempted to do the marbling effect. I do feel like it came out okay, but I definitely I feel like I need more practice when it comes to the whole nail design and stuff like that. But yeah, it came out okay. But yeah, like everything in life, with practice makes perfect. So I don't mind, learning. This set did only cost me $40. I purchased it on Amazon, and I feel like it is so beginner friendly. Like, yeah, I feel like you can't mess up. I really do. Once you follow the steps, like, to a T, as long as you can like paint like regular nail polish on your nails and not really mess up with applying the base, then I feel like you can't really, mess it up, because that base, wherever you paint the base, that's where the powder sticks. So as long as you at least keep that somewhat neat on your nails, then you can't really mess it up. So yes, this system is very, very beginner friendly, and it is so easy to use. Now here I'm just going in with a Q-tip to clean up all the areas where I don't want the polish to be. And the cool thing about marbling is that, marbling doesn't really have like a specific look as far as like perfection. Like, you can just pretty much do whatever and get away with it. But as you can see with that French white powder, my nails came out so opaque, and yes, they came out so pretty. Not only that, these nails did last me a full 2 weeks, and they were very strong because none of them broke out of the 2 weeks that I wore these nails, and I'm very rough-handed, so this kit is definitely worth the buy because you are going to get a lot of uses out of it. So this is after I completed the other nails, and now I'm just going to go in with this like shimmery, glittery type color just to add a tad bit more detailing and the whole marbling effect. And I just placed it like, pretty much anywhere, nowhere specific, just going in with this little nail art brush that I also got from AliExpress and just painting it on in random spots. Once I allow the black polish and the glittery polish to dry, I then go in with a clear gel top coat, and I just allow it to cure. And you can totally use regular nail polish on top of this. You don't have to use gel, but I prefer gel because it lasts longer and it comes out a lot shinier, in my opinion. So this is the finished look. I am so happy with the way they came out. I feel like they came out very well, and not only that, they did last me a good while. So yeah, I definitely feel like this kit is definitely worth it. Working with it was super duper easy. Super easy, especially for beginners. So, like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And until next time, bye.